if there's one indicator that I could hang my hat on and say that automation system is going to be successful, it was a sense of ownership with the end user. That there's someone on every shift who feels as though it's their personal responsibility to make sure that automation is running and operating as it's intended, and they're empowered to be able to do that.
Talked about the plant adopting, we call it a site champion, somebody at the customer who learns everything about the system and could train the trainer, once they get there. And it is a crucial piece of a successful robot system, for sure.
At Motion Controls Robotics, we emphasize the role of a site champion, the person who takes ownership, inspires coworkers, and ensures every shift feels invested. Let's explore the 5 steps that turn a site champion into the key to long-term success. Step 1. Identify and involve early. Select a site champion early. They become the main contact for system questions and are involved from the very beginning. Step 2. Engaged at every step. A site champion must be present at all major project milestones: project kickoff, design reviews, acceptance test, installation, and project sign-off. Step 3. Strengthen skills with training. They receive in-depth training and are encouraged to ask questions throughout the process, quickly becoming the in-house expert. Step 4. Build shift leaders and spread excitement. The site champion selects one leader from each shift to train directly. By spreading knowledge and excitement, they create buy-in across the whole team. Step 5. Empower and support. With authority to lead and recognition for their role, the champion drives long-term success and keeps automation performing at its best. Automation success is about people as much as technology. That's why at Motion Controls Robotics, we emphasize site champions, leaders who bring buy-in and excitement to every shift. We understand the importance of this role, and we're always here to answer questions and support your team.